Arthritis causes chronic pain, inflammation, and stiffness in joints such as fingers, toes, knees, hands, hips, and jaw. Rheumatoid arthritis, a type of arthritis, usually develops symptoms gradually over weeks but can sometimes progress rapidly within days. This condition often results in throbbing, aching pain that is typically worse in the morning. Here's a real-life story of Linda Faulkner, diagnosed with arthritis in 2006. After trying various treatments like painkillers and steroids with little success, her pain spread from her wrists to her back and neck. Inspired by Sarah Gall, who cured her arthritis with apple cider vinegar and honey, Linda decided to give it a try. She mixed a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with hot water, drinking it every morning and evening. In just 2 weeks, Linda was pain-free for the first time since her diagnosis. How does apple cider vinegar relieve arthritis pain? Joint pain is often due to mineral deficiency. Apple cider vinegar is rich in calcium, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which help alleviate pain. It's also packed with antioxidants, acetic acid, and beta-carotene, which block free radicals and prevent cell and tissue damage associated with arthritis. Apple cider vinegar not only relieves joint pain but also offers other health benefits like detoxification and anti-inflammatory properties. Experts suggest that the high mineral content in apple cider vinegar can address deficiencies that contribute to joint pain. The antioxidants in apple cider vinegar play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which are common in degenerative conditions like arthritis. There are many ways to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet. Drinking a mixture of apple cider vinegar, honey, and hot water is just one method. You can also use it in salad dressings, marinades, or even dilute it in water as a refreshing drink. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine can provide numerous health benefits. Its ability to alleviate joint pain and improve overall health makes it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle.